Hey YouTube, just got back from Virginia last night. Went to the Richmond race Saturday night. Left from there, went up to the Outer Banks. Got some relatives that live on Manio Island, so we spent a couple of days there. But on the way to Richmond Friday, I stopped at Cabelas and picked up my ship to store ammo, and let's see, they didn't have a whole lot in the store when I got there. It was after 4, so really didn't care. Just went in there to pick this stuff up. I was going right by there anyway, so there's no sense in making 2 trips. More drugs. That's always a beautiful thing. Anyway, here is the rest of my back order. CCI velocitors. Get into this. And let's pack this stuff up tight. About the phone. Yeah. There we go. The velocitors. Got a 500 in there and another 500 here. That'll fill the can up. It's always a good thing. Actually, I thought this was the box they were in. But this should be some blazers. Yep. Brick of blazers. I actually had 2 more bricks, but there was a guy my wife works with there in Virginia at the hospital, and apparently they cannot get any 22 ammo there of any kind. I don't know what the deal is. Maybe it's because they can't fucking drive, but they don't deserve ammo. But anyhow, that was my score. I gave him 2 bricks. I ain't got paid for it yet. I told my wife just to give it to him for what it cost, which is fine with me. And my 500 rounds of velocitors. It was a great race. It was a great weekend. It was cold as hell at the beach, but I did catch the last day of bike week at the Outer Banks, and that was fun. Met some good people. Drank a lot of beer. Ate a lot of food, drank some more beer, ate some more food. But anyhow, it was a good weekend. I hope you guys are finding the ammo you need. Shoot straight. Take care.